Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower Online warehouse and you're watching Sunshower TV. Today, I'm going to show you what's inside the box of a Hunter X-Core irrigation controller. And I've got a 6-station outdoor here to help me out. Here we have our Hunter X-Core in the box. Let's take a look. Okay, there we go. First thing we see is the manual. Once again, reading the manual, very important for irrigation controllers. Make sure you get into that. Here's our irrigation controller itself with the power cord attached, and we've also got our keys and wall mounts and screws. Let's give it a look inside. Okay, here's the panel. Now if we take this off here, this is where we can attach all our zone wires. You'll notice this one actually counts up to 8. They all do here, but you can only connect the 6 stations because it's a 6-station controller. Also got our connections for the wire sensors. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.